there's a big umbrella. Where in the world did the Ashmash and Star Lulu go? I can't find them. Do you know where they are? What? Do you know where the Ashmash and Star Lulu are? All I see is a big umbrella. Whoa, that was kind of cool. Lisa, do you know where the Ashmash and Star Lulu are?
I haven't seen them.
Me either.
Probably up to no good.
Probably.
I'll leave you with that.
Where are they? Help, I can't find them.
No, you moved.
Christy, where are they?
That way.
This way?
Yeah.
Okay, oh, maybe they're in the prayer closet. Nope, they're not in there. What's going on? Ashmash, Star Lulu. It's a foot. Oh, I found some feet. Lots of feet.
Star Lulu does not want to be called.
Okay, I found them. They're no longer missing. Yay!